you're already broke, you already don't have money, you're already running on a zero capital. Why do you want to spend money? On this channel, I've always talked about how to save and how to invest. But how does one actually save and invest with no income? Which is why in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to start a small business with zero capital from anywhere in the world. Now remember, this is not some get rich quick scheme. This is the kind of scheme that you put in the work and the effort. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, or you've been wanting to start a small business by the side, then sit back and keep on watching. By the way, my name is Adesholamie and I'm a YouTuber. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want to enjoy more videos like this. Now, before we go right into the video, remember, starting a business could be quite hard, difficult, tasking, challenging, effort. You can name it anything you want. But I need you to know that with hard work, perseverance, being diligent, and putting in a lot of work would grant you success or would give you your desired result. Now let's get right into the video because I do not want to bore you with plenty talks. Now, the first step to start a business from anywhere in the world is to offer a service. To make money, you obviously need to render a service, and like I would always say, all you need to do is look around you. There are obviously tons of services out there that you can be rendering. An example of a service I'll be using throughout this video is hairdressing. All you need to do is reach out to friends and families and even local businesses around you to see if they need your service and you get paid for it. I mean, everybody needs to make their hair, or half of the people in the world that are women needs to make their hair. Even guys are now making their hair. So you just have to start by reaching out to your friend. Hi Bola, do you need my service? Hi Tito, do you need my service? Why am I using Bola and Tito in this video? Okay, but basically just reach out to friends by asking if they need your service and then you get paid for it. Other services include cleaning, graphic designing, and many more. Step number 2 to building a small business with zero capital is to sell your service through social media. Since you're already a hairdresser, it will be very easy for you to leverage your service through social medias like Instagram, like Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter. No matter the kind of social media platform you are currently using, you should be able to leverage on that and sell your service through it. Another way to sell your service through social media is by selling products related to what you are currently doing. For example, you are an hairdresser, you can sell small products like wig caps, hair brushes, shampoo, hair cream. I mean, for example, when I made this hair, I didn't even see any of the product that the lady used. I just told her, oh, this is the kind of hair I want to make. And then she brought this attachment. It's not even called an attachment. It's like a series something. That was the first time I would see. And then she brought it. Whether she bought it or whether she has it currently in a store or she went to get it somewhere, I believe she had made a little bit of money from it. Step number 3 to building a successful small business is to utilize free resources. Okay, this is very crucial because you want to make sure you continue to build your skills, you continue to improve in whatever you're doing. For example, a hairdresser, you want to make sure you learn the current trending styles. We don't want to be making ponytail now and you are still making Ghana weaving. No, you want to make sure you continue to improve on your skills, and to improve on your skills using free resources, you want to make sure you are attending free workshops, free seminars, or even watch YouTube videos like this one where they're sharing how to make ponytail or how to do Ghana weaving. I remember posting a video where I went to a salon to make my hair and I did this ponytail hair. That video currently has about 850,000 views, and I'm not even a hairdresser. Okay, I made tons of money from that video. Trust me. I want to believe that the video went viral because so many people want to learn how to make that hairstyle, so which made it viral. And I mean, I made money and they learned whatever it is they learned. But what I'm trying to say in this video is that you want to make sure you utilize free resources as much as you can. The step number 4 to building a successful small business is to partner with others. Now, partnership is one of the best things that can help you grow a little bit more. Now, the good thing with partnership is that the other person has some sort of complementary skills that would help push your business a little bit further, which makes it a win-win situation for both of you. For example, if you are already a hairdresser, you can partner with a makeup artist. You make the hair, the person does like the whole makeup, and I want to believe you should be able to take pictures on your phone, right? Okay, and if you can't, you can also partner with a photographer or a videographer. That way, the three of you can put in the work. You do the hair, the person does the makeup, and another person takes the picture or takes the video. You can see that the three of you are all helping each other. So when me as the hairdresser post on my Instagram and says, oh, blah, 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 hair by Spence, the makeup artist says, oh, makeup by Shola, and then the photographer's right, makeup by Adesholamie. Okay, do you get what I'm trying to say? Yeah, so make sure you try as much as possible to partner because it helps reach other people. Another good example I'm going to give you is that right now, if you don't know, I have a baby and there are limits to the kind of clothes I can wear. So what I'm doing right now, the best way for me to buy clothes right now is to look out for the kind of clothes my friends are wearing that I currently like, and that would make it a lot easier for me to breastfeed. So when I see, for example, I have a couple of Instagram influencers as my social media friends, okay? And when I see some kind of dresses or dress they wear, I will just look into their caption. I'll just look at their caption and say, oh, outfit from, outfit from, outfit from. And I'm like, okay, let me check. Before I know, I'll be getting the kind of dress I want, okay? They possibly partnered with them or they even paid to buy the clothes. But either ways, the owner of the clothes, the person that made the clothes, or the person that is selling the clothes is getting in the bag. This step number 5 kind of works, or it's kind of similar to point number 4, because you want to make sure you're using your network. By using your network, you want to leverage on your personal and professional network so you can attract more people to you, so you can attract more customers. A good example is what I made mention of earlier, that people just post, they're just posting whether they're getting partnership. And I want to believe that majority of them, for example, Henrietta, she's been getting into the bag lately, I want to believe, okay, but I kind of like her dresses and she has a body similar to mine. I mean, she's small and I'm small. So sometimes when I see an outfit on her, I like it, but I'm just a little bit, the girls, they're bigger. So sometimes when I look at it, I'll be like, okay, this clothes should be able to fit me. Okay, no, this one wouldn't fit me. This should work. This wouldn't work. And she always makes sure to tag wherever she gets her dresses from, her bags, her shoes. She does her makeup, even her hair and nails. Okay, that way she is using a network. Okay, she's using a personal and professional network to attract more people to go onto that person's page and patronize them. But what Henrietta has done is that she has helped the brand to reach more people, more potential customers. Step number 6 is to seek advice and support. Now, this is very important because you want to make sure you try as much as possible to surround yourself with families and friends that can support and encourage you. Personally, I don't believe in starting a brand and then your friends and family will be the first person to support you or be the first set of people to support you. I started a brand in 2018, Spence Cosmetics, and it went like this. And the first mistake I did was that I thought the first set of people that would patronize me would be my family and my friends. And this set of people actually wanted free products. Okay, I do not believe in that, but some people believe in that, and it is working for some people. Now, this all depends on the kind of friends you keep. You have rich, good friends. But I want to believe that the world and the way people see business has evolved. So now they want to make sure they are giving you your money and you are getting into the bank. That is why I decided to add this point, because you want to make sure you surround with people that can support you and that can give you advice. Last but not the least is to keep your expenses low. Keep your expenses low. You're already broke. You already don't have money. You're already running on a zero capital. Why do you want to spend money? Why do you want to live large? Why do you want to spend like you have a backup plan? Okay, I want to believe you have a backup plan, but try as much as possible to keep your expenses low. That way you can save up your money to get a shop or to get a space to display whatever it is that you're doing, to display the services you're rendering, because a lot of hairdressers now have their own salons where you can just walk in. Some people still work from home, but if you're looking at getting a space in the future after you've successfully built your brand, you would need to keep your expenses low to be able to save for that. Except you have an Odogu father, like I said, because there's this lady, Choma Good Air and Kika Good Air. I remember when they were talking about, when they were telling their story, Choma said her father I think, built or rented the first good hair salon for them. I don't have someone that would rent such a space for me, okay? And I want to believe if you are watching this video, you probably don't have somebody that can rent such a space for you. But if you do have, congratulations. And if you do not have, you want to make sure you try to, as much as possible, to keep your expenses low. That way you can save for the future. You can save for emergencies and for the future. Now I've come to the end of this video and I've shared with you 7 steps on how to start a successful business with zero capital. So if you found this video helpful at all, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a huge thumbs up. You can turn on the post notification bell if you want to keep watching videos like this. So thank you very much. I am going to see you in my next one. Stay safe, stay fabulous, and bye guys.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en mi